Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a topic that's crucial for everyone, personal finance. Whether you're just starting out in the workforce or you're looking to improve on your financial situation, we've got you covered with the top 10 most essential personal finance tips for beginners. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these valuable tips. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, create a budget. One of the most important steps in managing your finances is actually creating a budget. Start by listing all of your sources of income, then track your expenses by categorizing them into needs, such as rent, groceries, and utilities, and wants, like eating and entertainment. Allocate your money wisely by prioritizing essential expenses and finding areas where you can cut back. Tools like budgeting apps and spreadsheets can help you stay organized and monitor your progress. Tip number 2, save for an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, so it's crucial to have an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Open a separate savings account specifically for emergencies and contribute to it regularly. This safety net will provide you with peace of mind during challenging times, such as a job loss or unexpected medical expenses. Tip number 3, pay off high interest debt. If you have debts with high interest rates, such as credit card debt, tackle them first. Start by making a list of all your debts, noting their interest rates and minimum payments. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate your debt repayment. By paying off these high interest debts, you'll save money in the long run and free up more cash for your other financial goals. Tip number 4, start investing early. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to investing. Start as early as possible, even if it's with small amounts. Take advantage of retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA and contribute regularly. Consider diversifying your investments by investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds. The power of compounding will work wonders for your long-term wealth accumulation. Tip number 5, maximize retirement contributions. If your employer offers a retirement plan like a 401k and provides a matching contribution, make sure you contribute enough to receive the full match. It's essentially free money for your future. If you don't have access to an employer-sponsored plan, look into opening an individual retirement account and contribute to it regularly. By maximizing your retirement contributions, you'll set yourself up for a more secure financial future. Tip number 6, live below your means. Avoid falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Spend less than you earn and prioritize needs over wants. Create a frugal mindset by practicing mindful spending and finding ways to save money on daily expenses. Look for opportunities to cut unnecessary expenses, negotiate better deals on bills, and find affordable alternatives for your lifestyle choices. This habit will help you build wealth over time and avoid unnecessary financial stress. Tip number 7, educate yourself about personal finance. Take the time to learn about personal finance concepts and strategies. Read books by reputable financial authors and follow financial blogs and podcasts, and also watch educational videos like this one. Topics you may want to explore include budgeting, investing, taxes, and debt management. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make financial decisions for yourself. Tip number 8, protect your finances with insurance. Unexpected events can have a significant impact on your financial stability. Make sure you have an appropriate insurance coverage, including health insurance, auto insurance, and renters or homeowners insurance. Review your policies regularly to ensure that they align with the current needs and update them as necessary. Having the right insurance coverage will safeguard your finances against unforeseen circumstances. Tip number 9, set clear financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial goals. Write them down and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, starting a business, or planning a dream vacation, having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Break down your goals into actionable steps and track your progress regularly. Tip number 10, seek professional advice. If you feel overwhelmed or unsure about your financial decisions, don't hesitate to seek help from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your unique circumstances and goals. Look for a reputable and qualified advisor who puts your interests first. They can help you develop a comprehensive financial plan, review your investments, and provide strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.